Emmerdale vet Rhona Goskirk, played by Zoe Henry, recently tried to propose to Marlon Dingle, Mark Charnock, in a romantic gesture. However, after Marlon's plans to open his own pop-up restaurant fell through, he accidentally ruined the entire thing. Rhona also had to come clean to her boyfriend about what had been going on with newcomer Marcus Dean, Darcy Gray. She explained Marcus was the son of her abusive ex-peer Saris, Jonathan Rather, and that he had left her £50,000 in his will following his death. Things seemed to get worse for poor Rhona when her mum, Mary Louise Jameson, suddenly turned up in the village. The vet was far from happy about her mum's arrival, especially after she interrupted her second attempt at proposing to Marlon. Rhona was bent down on one knee about to confess her love to the chef when Mary came into the village. Mary was thrilled to see her daughter, although Rhona was suspicious about why she was really there. During Tuesday night's episode, Rhona questioned her mother about what the real reason was for her being there. "Anyway, you've still not said how long you're going to be staying for?" Rhona asked as they sat in the cafe. Ignoring her daughter completely, Mary said, "This looks nice, what are we having?" As Mary got up to go to the toilet, Rhona seemed fed up as she admitted she had no idea how long her mum would be staying in the village. Later on, Rhona quizzed her mum about the real reason she was in the village. "Okay, why are you here? And I mean, why really?" Rhona quizzed as Mary simply replied, "To see you. Mum, you've not been here for years," Rhona raged. "You've missed all sorts of dos and events." The vet continued, "Now you rock up and buy everybody cake and treat us to cooking lessons. Why do you always have to view everything so negatively?" Mary asked her daughter. "It's a valid point though, right?" Rhona hit back before her mum added, "Well, I'm here to see my family now, aren't I?" However, in upcoming scenes, Mary may end up ruining Rhona and Marlon's relationship after she lets her daughter's secret slip. Rhona ends up regretting it when she accidentally convinces her mother to stay longer in the village. Elsewhere, after the chef has a chat with Mary, Marlon is determined to propose to Rhona after her attempts keep getting ruined. However, things may take an unexpected turn as the villagers prepare to throw a surprise party for Marlon. Rhona and Mary experience a rare moment of tenderness as they bond over their shared secret. Will Mary end up ruining Rhona's life after exposing her secret? And more importantly, what are they hiding? Emmerdale airs on weekdays at 7:30 p.m. on ITV.